Welcome to the future of home interiors. Imagine walking into your living room and your curtains glide open with just a voice command or a single tap on your phone. In 2025, motorized and smart curtains are no longer luxury. They're a must-have feature in every modern home. Today, we'll explore how these futuristic curtain systems combine technology, comfort, and style to redefine interior living. 1. What are motorized and smart curtains? Motorized curtains are automated window systems that can open, close, or adjust light using a remote, smartphone app, or voice control through devices like Alexa or Google Home. They're powered by silent motors and sleek tracks, designed to blend seamlessly with your interior decor. In 2025, these systems are becoming smarter, learning your routines, adjusting automatically with sunlight, and even syncing with your home's mood lighting. Design insight. Pair your smart curtains with sheer layers to let in natural light during the day while maintaining privacy. 2. The perfect blend of style and functionality. Motorized curtains aren't just about convenience. They bring elegance and sophistication to your interiors. With smooth, whisper-quiet movement and a seamless finish, they give your room a high-end, futuristic touch. From luxury velvet drapes to minimalist linen sheers, every fabric can be customized for motorized systems. Tip: choose tracks that match your wall or ceiling color for a clean, invisible look, perfect for modern homes. 3. Smart control, effortless living. Gone are the days of manual pulls or tangled cords. Now you can control your curtains with voice commands. Hey Alexa, close the living room curtains. Mobile apps, adjust from anywhere, even when you're not home. Timers and sensors. Your curtains open at sunrise and close at sunset automatically. This smart integration not only adds convenience but also enhances energy efficiency, keeping your space cool in the heat and cozy during cooler months. Pro tip: sync your curtains with your lighting system for a full smart home experience. Imagine your lights dimming and curtains closing when movie mode activates. 4. Design flexibility for every space. No matter your interior style, smart curtains fit right in. In modern living rooms, opt for ceiling-mounted tracks and wave-fold drapes for a hotel-inspired finish. For bedrooms, blackout smart curtains ensure a perfect night's sleep with total light control. In offices, use motorized blinds or sheer rollers for a polished, professional aesthetic. Design tip: combine sheer and opaque layers on a dual-track system, automated to adjust based on time of day. 5. The technology behind the beauty. Today's systems use quiet, energy-efficient motors that can run for years without maintenance. Many are rechargeable or solar-powered, making them eco-friendly and low-maintenance. Integration with smart home systems like Apple HomeKit, Alexa, or Google Assistant means everything works in sync. Your curtain responds instantly with your voice. Bonus: you can even schedule your curtains to simulate presence when you're away, adding an extra layer of security. 6. Why they're the future of interiors. Smart curtains are more than a design trend. They're the next step in lifestyle innovation. They add convenience, effortless operation anytime, anywhere. Luxury, smooth, elegant movements that elevate every room. Efficiency, optimized light and temperature control. Safety, cordless operation ideal for homes with kids and pets. This is why homeowners, designers, and architects are all turning toward motorized curtain systems as the ultimate blend of tech and style. The future of interior design is smart, sleek, and effortlessly beautiful, and motorized curtains are leading the way. From elegant fabric choices to intelligent automation, they redefine comfort and sophistication for modern living. If you're ready to bring this futuristic upgrade to your home, visit fixitdubai.ae. Your trusted source for motorized curtains, smart blinds, and luxury home automation solutions. Experience the perfect mix of innovation and interior elegance, only with Fixit Dubai, where technology meets design.